selling the losers and buying the winners. That's what I'm doing, folks. Raising cash here. This is Bake Stock Market Authority. I'm selling the last of Spider S&P Bank KBE. Just did it this morning. That is gone. That could work at some point down the road. It is not working now, and I refuse to have dead or dying money. So that's gone. And now Canada, oh Canada, Canada, and I bought this before over here, before the tariff fiasco began, and I'm not selling it because of the tariff fiasco. I go through 4,500 ETFs. I find the 10 best for you and for me, and this isn't one of them. So this is gone. This is a 7% loss. Nothing dramatic. Banks were 4% loss, something like that. And again, I don't lose a lot of money. I keep things under 15%. High ho silver. This is exciting stuff. One of the most promising new buys that I've come across in a while. Just bought it. This is the Sprott Silver Miners, SLVR. Gold has been acting great, and silver's now catching up. This is kind of a cool, relatively new ETF, as you can see from the price history. Sprott's pretty clever. This is SLVR, and it's 19% the bullion, and the remainder is relatively obscure silver miners. It isn't Hecla and Coeur d'Alene, your grandfather's silver mining ETF. So this is a new high on big volume, 69% above 169% above normal, and it is looking great. It's following through as I speak. This is from the close yesterday, and I didn't have enough cash to make it 10%. I'm probably going to, but hi ho silver. This is, and you want to talk about uncorrelated to the S&P. Not a lot of silver miners in the S&P 500, so giddy up. And Europe, I finally saw this 50-day cross through the 200. I've got all these crazy parts of my discipline that I make sure I see the whites of their eyes. This served me well because it came into this pullback at this support level that you see here at 58, 59. Bought it right here. This is ASML, SAP, Novo Nordisk, Nestle, AstraZeneca, Roche, Shell, HSBC, Louis Vuitton. Pretty eclectic group, and it just flows and positioning, folks. People are saying the Mag 7 is not where I want to be. Certainly not where I want to be overweight, and I want to go to where valuations are better and things are perking up. And it doesn't take much to move the needle here, and so this is clearly happening. So we're now 10% in Europe, and we're 10% in defense. This is the themes: transatlantic defense, NATO, and I got to be honest with you, the symbol kind of set me off, spurned me away. And defense stocks, I still think domestic stocks, U.S. defense companies are going to be getting a budget axe. But in case I'm wrong, I want to be here. This is Lockheed, Raytheon, Northrop, Howmet, TransDigm, but it also Honeywell, but it also has Rolls Royce, which is screaming, and Safran, a European defense contractor. But this is a beautiful chart. This is a new high on big volume, and this is what I do. And so we are now at 10% silver, 10% defense, 10% Europe, and it's going to be the right place to be, I think, for at least a while. So stay tuned. I'll let you know the whole portfolio once the dust settles and any changes that I make. But we're beating the S&P, and we're going to widen our lead and make some money here. So stay tuned. If I can be helpful, call me 610-331-4283. Bakes at stockmarketauthority.com is my email. DM me wherever you'd like, and have at it. We're going to have some fun. This is just because the quote unquote market is down doesn't mean we have to be. and we're not going to be. So we're fighting the good fight, and come back here for more. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.